Hi, my name is Annie Cheng, and I'm the founder of the Table Less Traveled. And normally at this time, we would be hosting trips around the world, meeting chefs, and having dinner with people in their homes from Italy, Peru, Malaysia, and Japan. Well, now is not exactly a time that people feel safe traveling, nor are they allowed to. And so we were trying to figure out how can we still create that sense of community and share an experience with the amazing people and friends that we have around the world from the safety of our own homes. And we decided we are going to host virtual live cooking classes with our chefs around the world in the safety of your own home. So you can interact real time with Chef Alain, for example, and ask him, hey, my dough looks a little dry. Should I add some water, or what should I do? And at the same time, hopefully have some connections and conversations with him about what his life is like right now and what's going on in his part of the world. I think now more than ever, we need to have some connection points and an opportunity to come together and say our lives are a lot more alike than they are different. This is an experience that I'm really touched by the compassion that other people have shown, and we want to do the same thing and pay that forward. So we're offering a pay what you can price plan in order to get everybody involved and to allow this to not be limited by your financial situation. Likewise, our chefs have been so generous with their time, and we're going to split the proceeds with them of all of the classes that they teach. So I hope that this brings a little bit of light, joy, and happiness in your life. And we'd love it if you would come and join us for a class to take a little break from all the chaos and stress and bad news, have a little fun with us, make some great community and connections, and eat really good food while you're doing it. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in our classes.
Oh, wow, look at you, you're great. You are great.